How to log into Discord. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Discord. So here, what you need to do is to log into Discord. Actually, you have to create an account first of all, right? Only then you'll be provided with a credential which can help you to log in. So now, what you want to do is open your Discord app onto your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your application is updated to the latest version. Now to log in, click the login button. It's going to ask you to type in your phone number or email address and then the password that you've used. So type in your information and all that stuff and click the login button. As you do it, so for the confirmation, you have to fill out this CAPTCHA. So you're going to click on the OK button, and then accordingly you have to arrange the image or some sort of stuff. So you just have to go ahead and arrange it, and you'll be logged into your Discord account successfully. And this way you should be able to log in. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.